Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart. Today I am crocheting the Navajo Indian diamond pattern. The yarn that I'm using is I Love This Yarn. I bought it at the Hobby Lobby. The hook recommended is the 5.5 millimeter. I am using the 5.5 millimeter hook. I'm going to start out by forming a slip knot. So you just hold the yarn like this and put the short end over the long end and then bring up that long end through that loop to form the slip knot. And we're going to do a chain stitch. So you just put the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop that's on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop that's on the hook. Now you can make the blanket or afghan or whatever you're making as big as you want it to be by chaining 2, then chaining a multiple of 20, and then chaining 4 at the end. Chain 246 for a 60 by 40 inch blanket. Chain 286 for a 72 by 52 inch blanket. When the chain is finished, cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. The tails can be for tassels or fringe. Row 1. Cast onto second stitch with a single crochet. 1 single crochet in each stitch except last stitch. Chain 1 and cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Okay, I'm going to form another slip knot. And I'm going to skip that first stitch. I'm just going to use that as a knot to hold the fringe. I'm going to cast on to the second stitch with a single crochet. So just insert your hook and hook onto the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both of those loops, and that's casting on with a single crochet. Okay, now put in 1 single crochet in each stitch except for the last stitch. I'm going to skip this video to the end of this row. Okay, now I've worked my way to the end of the row. It looks like I have 1 more stitch left. So there's 2 more stitches, so I've got 1 more single crochet to do. And I'm going to leave that last one for a knot to hold the fringe in place. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to cut a 2 to 3 inch tail. Row 2, cast on to first single crochet with a single crochet back loop only. 1 single crochet back loop only in each stitch except chain 1 at the end. Chain 1, cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Okay, I'm going to be doing this in 3 different colors, so hopefully you'll be able to see the stitches a lot better. So I'm going to form another slip knot here. And I'm going to cast on with a single crochet in the back loop only. So we're going to skip that first stitch, the knot, and we're going to go into the back loop. So here are the 2 loops that we would normally go into to do a single crochet, but we're just going to be working into that back loop. So you just pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's casting on the back loop with a single crochet. Now put in 1 single crochet in the back loop of each stitch, except for the chain 1 at the end. I'm going to skip the video to the end of this row. Okay, now I'm at the end of the row and I have 1 single crochet in the back loop only to do. And I'm going to skip that knot at the end, the chain 1. We're going to chain 1 and cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Row 3, cast on to first single crochet with 1 single crochet back loop only. 1 single crochet back loop only in next stitch. 1 double crochet front loop only second row down from hook. 1 single crochet back loop only in next 19 stitches. Repeat until end of row. Last 2 stitches will be 1 single crochet back loop only. Chain 1, cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Okay, so I'm going to form another slip knot. I'm going to skip the knot at the beginning, and I'm going to cast onto the back loop of the first single crochet with a single crochet. The next stitch is a single crochet back loop only. The next stitch is a double crochet front loop only second row down from hook. So you're going to count 1, 2, and you're going to pick up that front loop. So insert your hook into that front loop. And you're going to hook onto the yarn and pull the yarn through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make sure to not work into that stitch behind it. Go into the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next 19 stitches. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, here we're going to do another double crochet, second row down from hook. So you're going to yarn over, count down 1, 2, and pick up that front loop. Pull the yarn through the front loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a double crochet in the front loop only. Now remember to not work into the one right behind it. 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next 19 stitches. Now you're going to repeat the pattern from the double crochet in the front loop, second row down from hook. And then you'll do the 1 single crochet, back loop only in the next 19 stitches, and you'll keep repeating this until the end of the row. And then once you get to the end of the row, you will do the double crochet. This is the last 3 stitches. So second row down from the hook, you pick up the front loop, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Make sure to not work into the one right behind it. And the last 2 stitches are going to be 1 single crochet in the back loop only. There's 1 and 2. Make sure to not work into that chain 1 at the end, the knot. You're going to chain 1 and cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Row 4, cast onto first single crochet with a single crochet back loop only. 1 single crochet back loop only in next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet front loop only second row down from hook. 1 single crochet back loop only. 1 double crochet front loop only second row down. 1 single crochet back loop only in next 17 stitches. Repeat until end of row. Last 4 stitches will be 1 double crochet front loop only second row down from hook. 1 single crochet back loop only in next 3 stitches. Chain 1, cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Okay, I'm going to form another slip knot. And I'm going to cast on to the first single crochet with a single crochet in the back loop only. One single crochet in the back loop of the next 2 stitches. There's 1 and 2. Now I'm going to do a double crochet in the second row down from the hook, right next to this double crochet. So count down 1, 2, insert the hook into the front loop and pull the yarn through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Make sure to not work into the one right behind it. Go into the next one. 1 single crochet in the back loop only of the next 17 stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we're going to put in a double crochet here and here on both sides of this double crochet. Okay, so yarn over and count down 1, 2, second row down from the hook and pick up that front loop. Pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. And then another double crochet, so yarn over, pick up the front loop, second row down from the hook, and pull the yarn through that loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, now we're going to do 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next 17 stitches. And we're going to keep repeating this until the end of the row. So we're going to do the double crochet front loop, second row down from the hook, then the single crochet in the back loop only, and then the double crochet front loop, second row down from the hook, and then 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next 17 stitches. We're going to keep repeating that pattern until the end of the row. Okay, we're going to put our double crochet. This is the last 4 stitches, and we're going to put the double crochet in the front. So you pick up the front loop, second row down from the hook, and pull the yarn through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then 1 single crochet in the back loop of the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3. Make sure to not work in the chain 1 at the end, the knot. You're going to chain 1 and cut off a 2 to 3 inch tail. Subscribe to Easily Find Part 2. Just click the icon and click subscribe. Check out some of my other videos here.